My name is Brian Gagas. I'm with Kriete Truck Center, Stevens Point, and Tomahawk, service manager for both locations. What sets us apart here in Stevens Point, I believe, is our dedication and commitment to the uptime process, trying to get a customer in as quickly as possible so we can get the unit diagnosed. So that way the customer has the ability to make decisions based off the diagnostics, whether or not he needs to power the load or if he can wait for the repairs to be completed. Whenever we run into situations where we find repairs that are needing to be done, try to let the customer know. And the severity, is this something that needs to be addressed immediately, or is this something that can wait for a little bit or till the truck gets back from its next trip? Explaining to the customer, obviously, that scheduling repairs is obviously a lot less expensive than breakdowns. During a breakdown, you're at the mercy of whatever shop you end up breaking down with. Here, we can actually control the repair and the cost a lot more. Also, scheduling the repairs around the truck's normal downtime so that way the truck is not off the road more than it needs to be.